Alright, so I've never done one of these videos, but sometimes it's easier for me to do that rather than just writing it out in a text or something like that. So I wanted to do the problem that is problem number 1 on homework 1 for income tax. This is, on mine it says like Chuck, he's a single payer. He earns $75,800, and then he also has $10,900 in interest from an investment with the City of Heflin bonds. So the first step is to go ahead and look up the 2022 tax rate schedule. There's a link on there. You click on that, then you look at the individual, and you're able to then find that the tax bracket that you need to use. So what you're going to see first is, so you have to decide, like, okay, I know that I got the 75,800, right? And then there's also this 10,900 investment. So the thing about this here is this type of bond is not the it's not a corporate bond, so it actually gets an incentive, so you don't have to use that in the taxable income. You'll only be using the 75,800. So now that we've got this, we know what our income is. You're going to go ahead and go to the tax bracket, and then you'll see the $41,775 to the $89,075. So inside that bracket, you'll see that it says you're going to $4,807.50 plus 22%. So the way that I have kind of come up with my method to figure these problems out, to get my actual tax base, is I call it the subtract, multiply, and add. Okay, so we're going to have 75,800. Okay, and we're going to subtract the bottom of the bracket, so the 41,775. Okay, now that's going to give us $34,025. Okay, then we're going to multiply that by the base. I'm sorry, by the percentage. So you've got $34,025 times the 22%. So that's going to give us $74,8550. And then we're going to add. And we're going to add back this $4,807. $48,750. So our total in tax for Mr. Chuck is going to be $12,293. So now that we've got this, now we're going to see what is his average tax rate. So the average is going to be this 12,293, and it's going to be a division over the taxable income. So that's the 75,800. Okay, and then that's going to come out, give us 16.22%. And then we're going to get the effective. So this one is the average tax rate. And then this one down here is going to be the effective. And so we're going to have that, still that 12,293. And we're going to put it over the total of these two together, of the 75,800 plus the 10,900, because it's going to be all income, taxable and non-taxable. So that's going to give us this 86,700, and the effective tax rate is the 14.18%. Now, the last question on this set was, it says, what is his current marginal tax rate? With this one here, you only have the one. So you only have the one tax. You're not going from a new to an old. So because of that, you're only going to be looking at if he made one more dollar, where would he fall? And he is still going to be inside the 22% tax bracket. And so that's the answer on that one. I have a problem that will deal with finding more of the marginal. It's the second problem in the homework. I'll take a video of that and do it next and see if that will help you guys too. Thanks.